What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is going to be a trade recap video today. Please ignore my room. I'm sorting out my wardrobe and stuff, which is why I got t-shirts and stuff everywhere. But today's date is the 11th of Feb. Yep, it's the 11th of February. I'm going to be going through my analysis, how I took the trade, and basically my trade management during it as well. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let me get straight into it. So today I caught a counter trend, double confirmation, no close plus sweep plus divergence, and this was a 2.81 risk to reward. So starting off on the daily, I've still got external weak highs at the top due to this no close plus sweep failing to break it, and then on the hourly we had a mid time frame order flow shift. Now, once we had that mid-time frame order flow shift, it confirmed the weak highs up here for me. At the moment, what has happened is we've had this mid-time frame break here, so we've created a new high, giving us a mid-time frame IPL. But also, during that, we had a low time frame order flow shift, which also gave this low time frame IPL. So it's a mid time frame and a low time frame IPL for me. After that mid time frame break, since Monday, we have been in this mid time frame slash low time frame range. And if you watched my video before this, you'll see how I caught two trades and one loss during this price action here. And now today is Wednesday. And during ranges, for me, it's just going to be mainly no closes, especially in a long time range like this. This is a 3-day range now, just accumulating. But into the actual trade, this was, as you can see, no close. This was a no close plus sweep here. The reason I didn't take it straight away off this first candle is because we'd taken this high here and then created inducement down here, and then we've taken that and we just kept coming down like this. But because we took this as well and we already had that retracement down, obviously we carried on retracing down. I thought we've retraced a lot now and we may break this high. So it wasn't the highest probability for me to short off this as it would have been for this. This high here would have been higher probable to short for me because it was the last high. This was created and it would have been good to short off that because it created some inducement down here. But then we've come up to it again, come up to this high where we've actually retraced a lot more than these points. And I thought, okay, I actually called it out in this Discord as well, how I thought we were either going to most likely get a new high today with the news, which was NFP, but obviously didn't. For me, it just was a lot less probable based on my market experience to short straight away off this high. Now, I haven't actually used double confirmation before, but I have done my research on it. So, also another reason is market open was in 30 minutes, and market open candles are very, very volatile. So as you can see, this was the market open candle. If I entered here, I would have actually got stopped out on the trade. As you can see, also market open right here, volatile candle, very big wick, as you can see. There's a lot of volume and a lot of people getting into the market at that point in America, and I'm in the UK, so yeah. But anyway, the double confirmation was after we had this no close plus sweep. Bear in mind this is a counter trend. What I saw was I waited because I wasn't going to take it off this because it was low probability for me. But when market opened, we actually got this no close plus sweep plus divergence, as you can see right here. So double confirmation is basically doubling up my thought process and my analysis on this trade, and it gives me more confidence and higher probability to take it. So this was the first confirmation, the no close plus sweep, and then the second confirmation was when we failed to close above this a lot smaller between price, but as you can see, very valid model. After I saw that, I entered off this rejection candle, which was actually the 230 open candle. My break even point was this right here. I didn't put break even to here because it was too much of too close to my actual entry to be going break even, because I need to let my trade breathe a bit, which is what I've refined. Looking at some of my data where I've gone BE too early, especially in counter trends, and I haven't given myself enough space, and then it's gone all the way to my take profit. For this, on counter trends, I always target the body the body low. I don't know why it's actually at this low, but it should have been at it. I always target the body low of the inducement, because I've seen a lot of times where um, because we can have a pro trend move off the inducement upwards. I've seen a lot of times where we've had no closes plus divergence, for example, and we started rejecting once we've hit the body and we failed to take the wick, and then we started heading up, which is not what I want. So in my plan, I target the body of the inducement. As you can see, the actual inducement wick got hit in the same candle move down. But yeah, this was a forward test for me because I hadn't used double confirmation before, and also I'm just not really liking these ranging conditions. So I'm not going to be risking on the fund end. I want to preserve my capital, especially when trying something new like this, and we're not making any highs or lows, and just this price is just not favorable to trade, really. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you can see how I've taken this trade. It was very clean trade. Um, it was only it was only 40 minutes long, so quick, good volatile movement, which is why I love NQ so much over GU now, and which is why I've switched. But yeah, that is the whole video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I should be having some sort of talking video coming out in the next week or so, as well as doing more trade recaps on anything I take. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned something, and most of all, I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.